Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering. Today, we're exploring how to solve parallel AC circuits using the admittance method covered in part 35 of our series. In industrial settings, factories connect electrical loads in parallel. This design choice is critical, as parallel connections ensure that each machine can operate independently from the others. However, using impedance for parallel calculations can be quite complex. Engineers need a simpler, more efficient method to accurately calculate the total current in these circuits. This is where admittance comes in. Admittance, denoted by Y, is defined as the reciprocal of impedance. Essentially, it measures how easily a circuit allows current to flow. Admittance is composed of two parts: conductance, which forms the real part, and susceptance, which forms the imaginary part. Together, they are expressed as Y equals G plus JB. Conductance is the real component of admittance. It represents the ability of a circuit to allow active power flow and is measured by engineers in Siemens. Susceptance is the imaginary component. It relates to the flow of reactive power in the circuit and is also measured in Siemens. The admittance triangle provides a useful visual representation of these relationships, with admittance itself serving as the triangle's hypotenuse. Using the admittance method greatly simplifies parallel circuit analysis. Instead of complex formulas, engineers can simply add the admittance values of parallel branches together to find the total. To find exact values, engineers use phasor algebra. This allows them to combine branches accurately to calculate the total current and the phase angle of the circuit. Many systems are complex, containing both series and parallel sections. In these cases, engineers convert series branches into equivalent parallel branches to streamline the calculations. By using admittance to add branch currents, engineers can determine the correct requirements for equipment, such as selecting the appropriate size for a main breaker. Furthermore, total current dictates the physical sizing of busbars. Accurate calculations are essential here to prevent potential overheating and dangerous electrical fires. In summary, admittance replaces impedance for parallel circuits, is composed of conductance and susceptance, and is a vital method for ensuring safe and reliable electrical installations.